Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Pascual and we're going to be talking about hanging gardens, so let's just get started. We have provided to you two attachments, first the MVP and the BMC, so you can go ahead and refer to them. So our MVP, let me just explain to you that our first MVP was just a rough paper with a picture and a rough idea of what we wanted to do. Through interviews and also through the research that we've done, we came up with our final MVP that you can see. Basically on this MVP we explained who we are, how we operate, how we're gonna get the resources, the volunteers, and the necessary funding to run the project. We also provide the research and national stats on our MVP and our contact information. You can refer to that and see who we are. Now let's just talk about it real quick about our value proposition. So we offer solutions to global warming by providing hanging gardens in our bridges. The way that we work is through citizens that will provide the resources necessary of recycling bottles. Then we're gonna outsource those to prisons to be able to get cheap labor, and then the final product will get back to us. And then we're gonna go ahead and work with also volunteers through the LDS Church and Boy Scouts of America, and also citizens to go ahead and put those on the bridges. The pains that we saw is the people need clean air. The gains is that they're willing to serve and participate and do something about it. And the jobs to be done is that we need to provide the resources needed to be able to complete this project. Now, some of the resources that we are going to need to operate the business is the intellectual resources to be able to build this project, and also how we're going to hang this into our bridges. The human resource, which is going to be really important on the manpower, the volunteers, and also our financial resource that is going to be extremely needed too. Now let's just explain to you guys a little bit about our key activities and how we operate. So the key activities will be sales and marketing activities. For example, the way that we're going to be working is we're going to build a project that's going to be presented to the committee. If the committee approves that, then it's going to go to the next phase. If it meets the needs, then we'll keep the strategy. If not, we're going to have to redo it. And this is going to be the same strategy for all of the resources, including activities such as finance and operations, and also volunteer recruiting. Now, some of the revenue streams and also the market size that we find out is that 70% of the total population are interested in cleaning air pollution, 39% are willing to do something about it, and only 3% will be our target. Therefore, we target in individual, government, private, and also revenue streams from fundraising, totaling of $543,000 in during 1 year. The key partnerships that we're going to build, like we explained to you before, is that we're going to be working with prisons, governments, recycling companies to be able to provide resources needed in case we need them, and also volunteer organizations such as the LDS Church and Boy Scouts of America. Thank you so much.